quick, fucking around. See, it's all computery and shit. I'm gonna strum these motherfucking keys. That sound right there, I'm gonna have that motherfucker pick the pianos up, right? And then real quick lesson on mixing and shit. So when you making a beat, you don't never want your sounds to be over the metronome. You know what I'm saying? So metronome will always be louder than everything else. It's a quick method. Shout out to Johnny Giuliano for giving out that advice. You know what I'm saying? So what I usually do is I just hopped on the keys and shit. I ain't really do my settings, but I set my mixing and shit to the point where everything just sound really, crispy and shit. Yeah. And then as I work, I piece it together so it'll already be in beat mode and shit, and I'll track it out on the mixer and shit later on by setting the channels and shit. See that melody I'm playing right now, I might just change that sound though. Shit, quantize on Fruit Loops kind of suck. Y'all need to fix that shit, man. All you Fruit Loop makers out there, man, you guys in London and Germany or wherever y'all at, y'all need to fix the quantizing on this shit, man. that kick drum behind that 808 for that motherfucker to hit harder. A little secret, man. I know niggas know that. You gotta know that one. Let's see how that shit sound. You know what I'm saying? Hard work pay off, man. Shout out to all the producers in Chicago doing their thing right now. There's a lot of good producers out there. I love the shit I'm hearing. I'm really fucking with DJ L hard. You know what I'm saying? I'm loving what you know, the lane that Chop and Beulah, you know what I'm saying, set up for a brother like me, a producer like me to carry it on. You know what I'm saying? So all the producers need to form an alliance and stick together. You know what I'm saying? And work together and, you know, get these checks together. It's quicker and easier that way. You know what I'm saying? Work hard. Period. People trying to figure out like how I got up with Scooter and shit. You know what I'm saying? It's really through Mouse. You know what I'm saying? Little bro and Shotta. He hit Shotta up. You know what I'm saying? Wanted to cut a couple records with him and shit. You know what I'm saying? We was out there fucking with him in the A and shit. You know what I'm saying? And they came up here to work. You know what I'm saying? So he came up here. Of course he gonna be in the studio with me. He had to get him some Davis. So when he came up here, this was cooked. Right here. Shout out to Scooter, man. BMG, hella band shit. Sound first right there, right? I ain't gonna tell you what it is. Then I put this pad in there. This pad right here. Had that shit and then I soothed it out, right? Because I knew it was gonna be hard. So with that, then I put the whistle in there. And everything else. And there you have it. So, you know, it was asking me like what's my biggest record and my biggest accomplishment and in my production credits, man, so far, you know, was basically, man, the record I did with Shorty, man. You know, we recorded that in my bedroom. You know what I'm saying? We recorded Get Smoke in the bedroom, and then once we did that record, it had a lot of controversy. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of people, it had negative and positive, and the positive outcome was Tunchi. You know what I'm saying? Lil Wayne hitting us up and getting on the record. So, you know, to wake up and hear Wayne on your shit, you know what I'm saying? That's a good ass feeling. You know what I'm saying? Hear a motherfucker like Wayne fucking with Shorty and believing. You know what I'm saying? He see himself in Shorty. You know what I'm saying? I always say that. So, and this beat right here. History on this beat real quick. A lot of people pass this beat up. It ain't like I played it for a lot of motherfuckers, but when I made it, there was some people in the studio and they was like, it's cool, I ain't fucking with it. I'm like, alright, this shit hard, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, it came out like this. producers out there saying y'all got the official version and you know I'm supposed to be a nigga that's stealing beats and all of that shit. Like this is all me, all real, all on my head. I don't need your brain to make something. You feel me? This is all me, man. So knock it off with the fool shit. You know, so that was that. You know what I'm saying? That was history right there. You know what I'm saying? That was 2012 shit. You know what I'm saying? So bringing more a little current. You know what I'm saying? Another street classic. You know, when me and bro get together, man, it's always some epic shit we do. You know what I'm saying? When me and Durk get together, we do some epic shit. So this was the intro to Side to the Streets right here.
This is the Chase Davis exclusive.
Majority of the time I love the piano, so that's the first thing that I, brought into it. You know what I'm saying? And then had to put that groove to it. So just a quick history, man, for everybody that don't know who Chase Davis is, man, that don't know who the guy behind the beats. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no little scrawny kid, you know what I'm saying? I'm, a big nigga working and getting it popping, you know what I'm saying? Working hard on these beats, doing my thing, you know what I'm saying? So, I just want to let y'all know, come holler at me, you know what I'm saying? When you want to get that production, you know what I'm saying? You want to get that drill sound from the city, that what we got to offer, you know what I'm saying? There's only a few producers in the city that's doing it, and I'm one of them, one of the creators of it, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? You want to get in contact with me, hit me up on Instagram, Chase Davis Beats with a Z. If you want to hit me up on Twitter, Chase Davis Music, MUZIK. You know what I'm saying? Keep in touch with me, rock with me. Hit me up on the Gmail too, chasedavisworld@gmail.com. I check the email faithfully. You know what I'm saying? So that's one of the best ways to get in contact with me. I really don't like talking business over social media. You know what I'm saying? All on pictures and Instagram. You a real businessman to hit up an email and get acquainted in a business manner. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I want to give a big shout out to See the Sound, you know what I'm saying, .com. We working. They showing love to all the producers, man, giving the producers the light. Because without us, shit, really the song ain't shit. The song ain't shit without a producer. So who the fuck gonna buy an acapella album of a nigga rapping? You tell me that shit. When you buy that, you gonna see a fucking cane Corso flying in the air. God damn it. Fuck with me.